everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I did my makeup for Kaori from Your Lie in April. She's a schoolgirl, so I tried to make the makeup as natural as possible. I don't know, it looks pretty natural to me compared to my other cosplay makeups. So I taped my face already to make it look slimmer and applied foundation, and now I'm applying concealer as usual. I applied powder with my beauty blender. Keeps makeup on my face for the whole day, and it smooths my pores when I apply it like this. For my eyebrows, I start with a brow pencil of a very natural light color to fill in the gaps so my eyebrows look fuller. And then I apply yellow eyeshadow on top so it blends with the wig better. Then I finish them off with a clear eyebrow gel. I put in the lenses and start my eye makeup with drawing bags under my eyes using a tiny wet brush. I love how it makes my eyes look bigger. Then I apply the same color on the bottom corners of my eyes and blend it out. Then I put a very light peach color all over my lid as a base shadow. And then I put a darker peach color just in the crease. I think peach colors look the most natural on my face, that's why I use them. Then I put a foil glitter shadow on my lid and softly blend out the edges. This one really sucks to be applied with a brush, so I just use my finger. Then I take a highlighter and put it in the eye corner and then spread it to the center of the eye. Then I take an eyeliner and draw a gentle wing that's going to follow my eye shape but also make my eyes rounder. I have to put on lots of flares because the foil eyeshadow mixes with the eyeliner and it makes it glitter. Oh my god, I just came up with a new word. It makes it glittery and not as black as I'd like it to be. I curl my eyelashes and put mascara on the top and bottom ones. Then I lightly contour my nose to give it a little bit more shape, and then I double it up with a peach blush to make it look more natural and cuter. And then I apply the same blush on my cheeks. Then I highlight bridge and tip of my nose, cupid bow, chin, and then I smile and put highlighter on the plumpest points of my cheeks instead of cheekbones. Highlighting cheekbones brings them out too much and makes my face look too angular and mature, so I really don't like doing it. Then I contour my lips so they look a little bit bigger, and I put this amazing glowy peach tint starting with the center, and I blend it out. And then I repeat it a few more times until I'm satisfied. And while I'm doing this, please go like this video and subscribe to my channel. It would help me so much. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers and I'm so excited for it. Then I glue on my super natural looking eyelashes and we're done.